Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. My name is Bhargavi Pathak, a faculty member of Sri Vasishtha Vidyalaya, and today I am going to teach you English. Children, today we will do the textual exercise of lesson number 3, The Old House. Children, do you remember this lesson? In this lesson, there was a couple, Mr. and Mrs. Bura, and they were about to sell their house. But by making renovations and trying different things, they turned their old house into a very pretty new one. Today, we will do the textual exercise of the same. See children, in this, the first exercise is understanding the text. The exercise is match the columns. On the A side, it is first number Miss Pilu. Second number is Mr. Lalu. Third number is Mr. Fulji. And fourth number is Mr. and Mrs. Khushi. In the B section, it is wanted a garden. B. Liked only the outside of the house. C. Wanted yellow doors. And D. Wanted a red house. We have to match with the correct one. The answers I have already written down. First number is Miss Pillu wanted yellow doors. The answer is C. Second number Mr. Lalu. The answer is D. Wanted a red house. Third number Mr. Fulji. The answer for that is B. Liked only the outside of the house. Fourth number is Mr. and Mrs. Khushi. The answer is A. Wanted a garden. Children, I hope you all have done this exercise in your textbook. Now coming to the next exercise. On the next page, it is B. Fill in the blanks. The first one is Mr. and Mrs. Bura's friends own a house with a small dash. In that dash, you have to write garden. Garden, garden. With green dash. In that dash, grass will come. GRASS, grass. And colorful flowers. The sentence will be Mr. and Mrs. Bura's friend owned a house with a small garden with green grass and yellow flowers. Coming to the next, second one. They decided to dash their house and buy a pretty one. They decided to sell their house, SELL, sell, and buy a dash one, pretty one. In the next dash, pretty will come, PRETTY. Coming to third one, they painted their house a bright dash after Mr. Lalu's visit. The answer will be red, RED, red. They painted their house a bright red after Mr. Lalu's visit. Now fourth one is they painted the door and windows a bright dash, sunny dash after Miss Pilu's visit. The answer will be bright. BRIGHT, bright, sunny. In another dash, yellow will come. YELLOY, yellow. So the sentence will be they painted the door and windows a bright sunny yellow after Miss Pillu's visit. Children, I hope you all have noted down all the blanks. Now coming to the next one. Exercise C is answer these questions. Children, that we will do in your notebook. And D exercise is answer these questions with reference to context That will also be written in your notebook. So kindly note down there NB means it will be written in your notebook NB in C and D. Done. Now coming to the next exercise. E. Think and answer. That too also will be done in your notebook. Kindly write down there NB. We will discuss at that time only. Now coming to the next. Playing with words. Now what is that? A collocation is two or more words that often go together. For example, a quick meal, I made the bed. Two examples are given. Now coming to the exercise, complete the table to make collocations using do, have and make. See children, options are given in the brackets. A bath, courage, an effort, a favor, a phone call, your best, exercise, a heart, a mistake, arrangements, lunch, the dishes. Now these options you have to fill up in the columns with do, have and make. You have to make collocations using these three. See children, in this table I have already done. I will repeat. You will also repeat at the same time. You will note down in your textbook also. With do we can do a favor, do your best, do exercise and do the dishes. Next one is have. With have we can take have a bath, have courage, have a heart, have lunch. Next one is make. We can make a mistake, make arrangements, make a phone call, make an effort. Children, kindly note down in your textbook. I am giving you few minutes. Write in neat and clean handwriting, please, children. Okay. Now coming to next. A word that has nearly the same meaning as the other is called a synonym. Synonym means two words which are having the same meaning. For example, quick, fast, correct, right, throw, toss. Now the exercise is choose the correct synonyms for each underlined word. The first one is Judy chatted with her friends for very long. The options are A. Talked, B. Sang, C. Discussed. Out of these three, the answer is A. Talked. Judy talked with her friends for very long. Children, mark a tick against A. Now turn your page. Coming to the next page. Second one is my grandma strolls in the garden every day. The options are A. Hops, B. Walks, C. Runs. The answer is B. Walks. My grandma walks in the garden every day. Coming to third one. Our teacher said we were being noisy. Options are A. Quiet, B. Naughty, C. Loud. The answer is C. Loud. The synonym of noisy is loud. Our teacher said We were being loud. Coming to the fourth one. Children, you can correct there. After 3, 4 number will come. By mistake, again 3 is typed. So cancel the 3 and write 4th. Suman was feeling glum as she could not go to the party. Now, the options are A. Sad, B. Glad, C. Sorrow. The answer for glum is sad. Suman was feeling sad as she could not go to the party. Now next one, 4th number. Sorry, you have to correct there 4. Cancel the 4 and write down 5 number. The show was amusing. The options are A. Sad, B. Lengthy, C. Funny. The answer is funny. The show was funny. Children, I hope you have completed the exercise with me. Now, coming to the next exercise, C. Color the boxes with the correct spellings. Means children, here 4 columns are given. Out of that, in each column, one spelling is right and the other 3 are wrong. For example, the first one is business. So, business is written 4 times. Out of that, one business is only right, the spelling is. We have to color it. Now children, I have already done the coloring. But just now you can just tick right with your pencil and afterwards do the coloring work. I will tell you the correct spelling. In the first one, second column write B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. The correct spelling is B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S, business. Tick right in business, children. Afterwards you can color it. Second number, second word is office. In office, the first one is right. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Third word is across. Children, in the third column, the correct word is there. A-C-R-O-S-S, across. Fourth word is circle. In that, the correct word is in the fourth column. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Fifth word is vacuum. The correct spelling is in the first column. It is V-A-C-W-M, vacuum. The fifth word is weird. The correct spelling is in the second column. W-E-I-R-D, weird. The next word is discipline. The correct word is in the third column. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E, discipline. And the last word is guard. The correct word is in the fourth column. G-U-A-R-D, guard. I hope children you all have tick mark the correct spelling. You can do the color of your choices neatly. Now children, in this video we will learn till this exercise. The next exercise we will do in my next video. Thank you.